In a wide pan on medium heat, add olive oil, white onion, garlic, and saute for 10 minutes. Then add cooked chicken breasts, paprika, and stir until blended in. Add the chicken mix to a bowl with cream cheese and parsley, then mix. On the same pan on medium heat, add unsalted butter, chicken broth, whole milk, and bring to a boil. Then add all-purpose flour and reduce the heat back to medium. Stir until the dough is formed. Transfer the dough to a flat surface. Knead the dough while it's still warm. To make 8, split the dough. Roll each piece into a ball, flatten the dough, and spoon the chicken mix into the center. Wrap the dough around the mix and into a pear shape. Place in fridge for 10 minutes. Roll the ball into a beaten egg and coat with panko crumbs. Set aside. For the dip, add mayonnaise, ketchup, dill relish, hot sauce, and mix. In a pan on high heat, set your oil to 350 degrees. Frying time is about 1 minute. Serve immediately and enjoy your Brazilian coxinha.